Hello everyone. Today we are going to do an activity to understand adjective clauses with preposition. And the activity is describe that habitat. So first of all, let us learn what is a habitat. Habitat is the natural home of a plant, animal or other living thing. Now look at the purpose of the activity. The purpose of this activity is for students to practice using adjective clauses with preposition where and to describe different habitat. Now see the materials needed. You will be given a handout which I will give you. Then you need a pen to write with. See the instructions carefully. Students have to work in pairs and combine their knowledge to give an habitat. They have to write 2 sentences about each habitat using adjective clauses with the preposition where. After a pair finishes writing 10 sentences, each pair will switch with another pair. Students will check errors and mark them with a question mark. So students should not make the corrections but just add a question mark. Alright, you only have to add the question mark, you don't have to do the correction. Then students have to draw faces next to the information that is new or interesting to them. Alright, whatever information you find interesting, you just make a smiley face. Then the 2 pairs will join together and discuss all of the question marks and happy faces. This is when students could make corrections to any errors. And finally, each pair will read out their sentences to the whole class. So students have to make sure that they put in extra effort to give correct information of each habitat. Students can do some research work using internet and prepare themselves. Now look at the worksheet which I will be handing you. See, it is the worksheet. I have shown the pictures also. So you can frame sentences, look at the pictures and see what habitats I have given you. Rainforest, deserts, polar regions, grasslands, urban areas. These are the 5 habitats which I have given you. I will share an example with you so that you can understand how you have to frame sentences. See, I have taken the example of swamps. Swamp is also an example of habitat. So look at the sentences. Swamps are places where the water moves very slowly or does not move at all. Second one, swamps are the places where the climate is humid. Next is, swamps are places where many animals live like alligators, turtles, frogs, fish and crane. So just see, I have highlighted swamps. Swamp is the habitat and it's the subject of all the sentences. We can also say places, regions or areas to describe swamps. Now just look at these sentences once again. See, adjective clauses must begin with where, followed by a subject and verb. I have highlighted where so that you can easily find out. So you have to frame sentences in such a way that the adjective clause must begin with where, then it should be followed by subject which is highlighted in green, then a verb. Alright, so your adjective clause should contain where followed by subject and verb in the clauses. So in the same way, students, you also have to frame sentences. Frame at least 2 sentences for one habitat. I hope you will enjoy doing this activity. You can gather information, search the internet, and then you can start working. Thank you so much. Good luck.